Hello and welcome traders. Welcome to Precious Pips. So let's start with today's analysis. Today is Friday, September 12, and today we have two major high impact news events. So let's have a look at world news events. So this week US CPI came in at 2.9 and core CPI at 3.1%. Dollar got short-term strength, but Fed rate cut bets remain. US pushing G7 for high tariffs on China and India over Russian oil. Adds geopolitical risk, bullish for gold. IEA warns global oil supply may exceed demand. So IEA means International Energy Agency. Could ease inflation slightly. US economy showing weakness. Jobless claim rising. Recession fears supportive for gold. US-China talks ongoing. Possible Trump-Jinping meet. Any tension safe haven demand. So it's possible, okay, not fixed. So it is possible. So let's move on to our chart. So this is our yesterday's chart analysis, and I already told you traders, after breaking this support, okay, so this was the liquidity. So make sure you watch our yesterday analysis, and I've told you each and everything that after liquidating the previous day low, we can make that up move. Okay, so analysis was as predicted. And traders, if you don't like my videos, traders, I cannot continue. Okay traders, so I'm not asking for money, I'm just asking for likes. Each and every analysis is for free, so you can check out my previous week analysis also, so it's accurate. Okay, so please traders, like the video, subscribe to our channel and support us. Okay traders, so other traders will also get help. So let's move on to today's analysis, and these levels are same. Okay, so this is the daily level and this is the level. Okay, so these levels are the same. So let's move on to today's analysis. Okay traders, so as I have mentioned, so these two levels are same, daily and this level. Okay, so let's see how we can trade today. So we had the trend line, okay, from yesterday itself we had the trend line, as you can see. So this was our trend line, and let's delete this now. Okay, so it's of no use. Okay, and let me move to weekly time frame, and let's see how the candle is forming. So because today is the last day traders, so let's see how the candle is forming. Okay, so candle is pretty bullish as of now, and let's see the daily. Okay traders, so this was a consolidation candle, but after making that down move we got a push. Okay, after liquidating the previous day low. Okay, good. So let's move on to today's analysis. So I've already marked the previous day low and high. As you can see, this is the previous day low, this is the previous day high. And let's have a look at today's liquidity and how to trade today. So also the trend line is the same. Okay, so only level I have added is this one, this fresh level. Okay, so this is a fresh level, so make sure you mark this level, and this level is 3622 3612. This level is 3597 3586. Okay traders, and our resistance is same as yesterday. Okay, so I'll show you the liquidity levels first. So this liquidity level is same as yesterday, and here we have the liquidity levels that the market has created. Okay traders, so after liquidating the previous day low, okay, so after liquidating the previous day low, so market created that up move, and market created liquidity over here. So as you can see, so buyers started entering from here, exact here. After this push, retrace, push, retrace, push, retrace, push. Okay, and then after touching our trend line, it was continuously retracing from our trend line, and in the Asian session we break past our trend line, and as you can see, how beautiful momentum. So if you only follow my analysis, I guarantee you that you will be profitable traders. Okay, so don't worry about that, just follow my analysis, support me, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. That's it, you don't need to do anything. Okay, and here we have another liquidity level. Okay, this is the liquidity level. So after coming here, after rejecting, okay, so we were rejecting continue rejecting from this level. This was a very good trend line. This was a trend line on 1 hour. As you can see, this was a trend line on 1 hour. And also I'll show you the moving averages 50, 100, 200. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we have the 50 moving average over here. So this is a fresh level. Okay, so this is a level from yesterday, and these are our old levels. So traders, anytime market can visit this level, okay, because we have a 50 moving average over here. So 50 moving average means intraday level. So on the 4-hour time frame, market can anytime visit 50 moving average. Okay, so geopolitical risk tensions are rising, so let's see what happens. And today we are looking for this news. Okay, so consumer sentiments and inflation expectations, so these two news are also important. So not big moves, but we will get average moves. Okay, and above we have this liquidity level, so only liquidity, and this is our all-time high. That's it traders, so this is all-time high. So now we are expecting some retracement from this resistance. Okay, so from now, see traders, if you buy here on the all-time high, near all-time high, so now it's 3650 and the all-time high is 3674. That means almost a 240 250 pips range. So if you buy here, so you know the market will retrace. Okay, you're buying on the top, so you don't do that mistake. So you wait for the market to give us that opportunity. If the market is not bearish, then at least market can retrace until here. Okay, at least market can retrace until here. If we get any sudden spikes, any bullish momentum from here, then you have to wait for that better entry. Okay, don't blindly enter anyway. Okay traders, I'll close this, and the rest we don't have anything. Okay, so very simple analysis traders. We are already on the all-time high, and now after this we will be again in the no man's land zone. So please traders, trade carefully, and there's nothing to explain, and I don't want to confuse you. Okay, so mark the liquidity levels, mark the trend line, mark the resistance and support that I have provided you. Okay, and you'll be good, and you just wait for the US session. And those who want analysis on Telegram, live updates on Telegram, so I cannot upload videos for all the sessions, so I upload short video on my Telegram. Okay, so you will get live updates on my Telegram, so make sure you join our Telegram channel. Okay traders, so I'll catch you in the weekly analysis video. Till then, peace out.